What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers, since 1996. You've been failing at affiliate marketing? You're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate websites going, okay, I want you to go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box, and I shall treat you like my own little hatchling, okay? Now, what I wanted to talk to you about today was HTML coding, okay? Now, this w3schools.com, they've been around for a long time, and they've upgraded this website recently, it looks like. Now, when you're dealing with a new kind of website, a new company, whatever, they got a Facebook page, you go there, and you look at their social media, their blogs, and, you know, it kind of gives you, the feel of what's going on with them, because if it's up to date, okay, that's pretty up to date, 5 days ago, okay, you see their followers, you know how long they've been around, okay, they got an email address, so, you know, it's a legit company. This goes for anything. I even insist you do this with any kind of affiliate marketing thing that you use. Okay. Now, this is an ideal website. It's got so much stuff to teach you now. There's a lot of information overload out there, I know. Okay. We used to have to do all this coding in Notepad and stuff, and it might not be in your interest to learn it all. But if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, you know, like now they have what they call server-side software, okay, such as the WebStarts. When you go to WebStarts, or, you know, who's popular? Wix, GoDaddy, and things like that. And mostly everybody has a way that you can make a website. Even Canva has a way that you can make a web page. Okay. Create a design. Okay. Website. Alright. Website beta. Okay. So, and this, what it'll do is you'll make a page, and this is actually pretty good. I believe I made a video on it a while back. Okay. Now, say it with me, if it's for free, it's for me. So WebStarts, you can go there and get yourself a free subdomain, and you can start practicing for free, okay? Because one of the mistakes I made in the beginning, I went out and bought a slew of domains and hosting, and, you know, you go to my site and you get my email from my email sign-up form, and it'll give you a link to on the Wayback Machine. And it'll show you the website that I had in like 2000, in the year 2000, 20 years ago, that I actually made partially in Notepad and partially in Microsoft Office. Okay? Because Microsoft Office was one of the first companies to ever design a platform where you could just go in there and, you know, create something in there like a word processor, okay? And a lot of these HTML editors that you see today, this is the free HTML editor, okay? It's HTML editor.in, okay? I've been using it for a long time. And when I go to these sites, I like to click on their AdSense links for them, because, you know, it's a lot of work to maintain these mega sites like this that do all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's see their homepage here, because I just have a link to their okay, see, so they got all kinds of stuff going on, and I kind of get tunnel vision with these sites. I kind of just use them for what I need it for and not really look around on them. Okay, so these HTML editors nowadays, you kids are spoiled, man, let me tell you. Now, if I wanted to put a link, say right there in that, I just go to my website here, copy the link, highlight this all, click link, paste it. Now it's got different options. Link to an anchor text, link to an email, it shows your target. You can open it in a frame, a pop-up window. Okay, let's try that. I've never even tried that for that. Width and height. Let's say, I don't know, width. Let's say 600. This is kind of cool. We'll go height, we'll go 900. Okay, left position. We don't want to mess with any of that. Okay, let's try that. I'm just curious. Just for shits and giggles. And again, I get tunnel vision with these sites. I never really used that. Oh, that's fantastic. I remember we used to do the code. Okay, we used to do the code for that. What a pain in the balls the code used to be. See, you open it in a browser. This is what they call like a frame. So it's not like a regular browser. You see, I can't really do anything in this. So this is great to show like a pop-up on your website. Alright, fantastic, fantastic stuff. Okay, so that's the sample. Now remember, don't save it in this. You'd have to actually go in here, copy this code. Okay, open up your notepad. Let me start a new one here. I was doing some stuff with some other stuff a couple of minutes ago. And I love HTML. I know it's HTML5. Alright, so when you got your notepad, if I save it as type, it's just going to save it. Like say I want to say what I'm going to call pop-up, okay, .html, right? It's not going to save it as that because I have this selected here. So you're going to come down here, select it as all files. So it's showing me all files now. Okay, so let's save it in that folder that I made. Okay, do I have that folder in here? Sure do. All right, so let's do the pop-up. Okay, remember it was just the link for that. So this pop-up thing is a fantastic thing. It's such simple coding. Okay, such simple coding. Now, again, you can put it on your computer. If you save it the way I instructed you to save it, okay, this is the code here. Alright, now, getting back to the ranch, this W3 school has evolved. They got new videos now. I'm not an affiliate, okay, but this is why I came here, because I wanted to do this. Oh, and again, let me show you something. If you want to learn how to do, okay, let's just do what we did. Watch this. Okay, we're going to do pop-up. Okay, if I could ever remember how to type. HTML. Do a search like that. 9 times out of 99 times out of 99 times, this comes up for you. Okay, you can learn everything here: CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Phantom, PHP, Bootstrap. Okay, we're in the how-to section. W3.CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Okay, so you want to try it yourself. Look, click me. Look at that little pop-up. That's fantastic. Okay, that little script. Now, it looked like a little script, didn't it? It's quite a bit, right? Quite a bit. So now again, if I select all of this, okay, if I figure out how to use my mouse and I copy it, I'm just going to go back into the file that I just made. Okay, now whenever you replacing code in the copy and pasting, always hit that delete button and delete that old code. You don't want to make any mistakes with that. So go here, we'll go to File, Save. Do I have it open? Okay, so we're going to go to File, Save. Alright, because you see it's on my computer. I just changed it. Okay. Click the pop-up. Boom. Sample pop-up. Is that fantastic? Now, when going into the code, alright, so now when you're in HTML code, I mean, for me, it's like the only thing I could concentrate on with my dyslexia and my craziness in my head and my one weak eye. Click me. Okay, here it is, right here. A simple pop-up. I don't know why I didn't find that in the other one. So we're going to run it. Right, you run it. Old DOS Geek. Look, I changed the color. Okay, so let's refresh this again. Okay, let's see that pop up. Okay, messed up the color. So we're going to go over here, simple pop up. Run it. Old DOS Geek. Okay. So, and now, and there's other things that you can do, like it's showing you this function here. Okay, and then it's showing you the script. So again, remember, it's linear. It's a linear program. Okay, so what would happen if I took this out of here? Where is that pop-up thing? Okay, the H2 pop-up. That's kind of in a way, but I think because it's H2, all right, I could run that and get rid of that. And of course, it's going to have a problem there. So let's see what's going on. This back. Okay. Up here. Run that. See where it takes us. Okay. Now. So this is Ray from rwcweb.com. Ray worked computers since 1996. You go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box right here, and I will treat you like my own little hatchling. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you.